Okay, easy now, bring it straight back. Copy that, watching the clearance.
Fleshing machines clean the inner side, removing excess fat and tissue.
This is tanning, the step that transforms raw hides into durable leather. The hides are soaked in large water drums to remove salt, dirt, and impurities.
Special chemical solutions loosen the hair, which is removed by precision machines.
The leather is dyed, oiled, and softened for strength and flexibility.
The leather is dyed, oiled, and softened for strength and flexibility.
The finished leather is cut, inspected, and graded by quality.
Premium leather is cut, stitched, and shaped into high-end luxury bags.
Premium leather is crafted into bags, shoes, belts, and car interiors.